guys, in this video I'm gonna make a review about the supplements I use personally. Now, just to let you know, I am not a supplement expert, so it's your duty to go check what works for you. So check out the resources like bodybuilding.com, they have awesome videos over there. And also check out my friend Tim Muriello, fitness and supplement expert from I'll Pump You Up. Great guys, great videos, so check it out. Now the first supplement that I use is Nano Stim by Team Muscle Tech right here. I love this product. Okay, so it has L-citrulline in here. So L-citrulline is actually better than a dose of L-arginine. It also has yohimbe. Yohimbe is good for blood flow, and quercetin is an antioxidant that helps you maintain your body, a healthy body, and it helps fight free radicals in your body. So that's what I use in the gym. When I use that in the gym, it's just an amazing product. The pump just keeps going and going and going. So basically when I take it, I feel pumped for the whole workout, for the whole hour. So I'm gonna rate this product over a 5, a complete 5 over 5, and I really love this product. Now, during workout, I use Extend by Cyvation. I love this product. So it has glutamine in it, and so glutamine helps you after your workout. There's citrulline in that one as well, so citrulline is good for blood flow. And there's electrolytes, so electrolytes basically helps you perform better when you're working out. It also has leucine, L-leucine. Now, in terms of flavor, I really like the flavor of this product. This is Orange Dream, so it tastes really good. So taste wise, over 5, I'm gonna give it a 4.5 over 5. And performance wise, in the gym when I'm taking this while working out, I would say over 5, I would give it a 4 over 5, to be honest. Now, the only issue that I found with this product is that it doesn't mix that properly. I'm just gonna do a really quick demonstration to show you what I mean. So this is some water here, as you can see. So I'm just gonna do a very quick demonstration about mixing the product. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix 1 scoop. Some people can take 1 scoop, some people can take 2 scoops. So I'm just gonna mix 1 right now, and I'm just gonna show you how it works out. Okay, so kind of did some mess here. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix it up. Okay, so as you can see, it's kind of foamy in here. It's foamy. So that's the only thing that I really don't like with product. It's kind of foamy. So I don't really like this foam personally. Now, there's I think there's food coloring in this product, because when I let it stand for like a couple hours or an hour or 2, I see some food coloring residue inside the bottle. So that's kind of a downside for me personally. But still a really good product. I really love this product. That's for the during workout. Now after workout, I like to take mass gainers personally. And the mass gainers that I use is True Mass by BSN supplements. True Mass. So after workout, I take 2 scoops of True Mass and whole grain oats. So I mix it up together and grind it in the grinder and mix it up together. So I use that same menu for the post-workout and as well the first thing what I do when I wake up in the morning. I'm gonna rate it a 4 over 5. Now, post-workout, recovery to be specific. Recovery, I use MyoBuild by Team Muscle Tech. It has everything it needs. It has carnitine and It has leucine, valine, isoleucine, and betaine, creatine, HCI, which is great creatine. It also has carbs, which is fine, and it has glutamine. So it has pretty much everything it needs to be. It has all the ingredients it needs for post-workout. So post-workout, great product. I love this product. Now, lastly, I use creatine with some of my products. I usually use creatine when I mix my oat with my mass gainer in the morning. Usually I take creatine in the morning, the first thing as I wake up with my mass gainer. So for creatine I use 100% creatine by 6 Star Pro Nutrition, which is also made by the same company which makes Muscle Tech. So props to you, Muscle Tech. So this product, it has 5 grams of creatine per serving, per 1 scoop, and I bought this for $12. It has 80 servings. So 1 scoop of creatine, 5 grams of creatine, 80 servings for $12. This product is really good product, and I would say a really great value. You can also use other creatine, but I personally like this one, and I like switching between creatines. I like to try new creatines, but I still like that one a lot. So yeah, so that's just for the video. Hope you liked it. Again, if you need more information on supplements, make sure to check out bodybuilding.com or my friend Tim Moriello from I'll Pump You Up. So check those 2 resources, 2 great resources. So again, you need to do your own research about the product you use, and make sure they work for you, and make sure you always respect the doses as well. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. So I'm gonna make a video soon. Thanks, take care.